The Matuga Affordable Housing Project, located on a 2.5-acre plot in Kwale Town, Matuga constituency, is just a short distance from Diani Beach. The apartment buildings feature a contemporary yet minimalist exterior design with clean lines and neutral colors to blend harmoniously with the surrounding landscape. The project offers a variety of 1, 2, and 3-bedroom units, including 40 social units, 93 affordable units, and 62 market units. Residents will enjoy modern amenities like a basketball court, playgrounds, and outdoor spaces. A dedicated kindergarten ensures access to quality early childhood education for young children. The living area is the heart of the unit. It is a spacious lounge where natural light pours in through large windows, offering a bright and airy atmosphere. Our unique payment plan, known as the Tenant Purchase Scheme, allows you to pay 10% and the rest in monthly installments. Social units with prices at 1 room at 3,200 per month, 2 rooms at 4,800 per month, and 3 rooms at 6,400 per month. Affordable housing units, studios at 5,200 per month, 1 bedroom at 7,771 per month, 2 bedrooms at 10,400 per month, and 3 bedrooms at 15,600 per month. For market units, 2 bedrooms at 31,300 per month, and 3 bedrooms at 41,800 per month. To get your home, register for free by dialing *832# or visiting www.bomayangu.go.ke. Unit's design prioritizes comfort, practicality, and affordability, ensuring that residents can enjoy a modern lifestyle within the framework of the Matuga Affordable Housing Project.